Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate brownie with ice cream at home. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease an 8x8 pan. Mix melted butter and sugar until smooth, then beat in eggs and vanilla. Fold in cocoa and flour gently to avoid overmixing. Pour batter into the pan and bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Let brownies cool slightly before pairing with scoops of ice cream. Start by sifting the dry ingredients to prevent lumps and ensure even mixing. Whisk melted butter with sugar, then stir in eggs one at a time for a glossy batter. Gently fold the dry mix into the wet until just combined, preserving air for chewiness. Pour into a lined pan and bake until edges are set and center still jiggles slightly. Cool briefly before cutting and assembling. Scoop ice cream directly onto a warm brownie so it melts a little and creates a gooey contrast. Drizzle hot chocolate sauce or warm ganache over the scoop for extra richness and shine. Add crunchy elements like toasted nuts or cookie crumbs and a pinch of sea salt to elevate flavors. Serve on a warm plate with a spoon and napkin, encouraging guests to dig in while textures are best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.